Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam Mobile Authenticator not generating codes. The Steam Mobile Authenticator is a security feature that generates temporary verification codes on your mobile device, allowing you to securely log into your Steam account, confirm trades, and approve certain account actions. However, there are times when the authenticator may stop generating codes, display an error, or fail to update the codes properly. This issue can happen due to problems with the Steam mobile app, account synchronization issues, device settings, or other security-related problems. Fortunately, Steam provides an official support section with detailed troubleshooting information that can guide you through the most appropriate solution. The first step is to open the Steam application. Once Steam is open, click on the Help button located at the top of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Steam Support. This will take you to Steam's official support area, where you can find solutions for account, security, and Steam Guard problems. Next, click on My Account. This section contains all support topics related to your Steam account, login, and security settings. From the list of options, select Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Here, Steam provides troubleshooting resources specifically designed for issues related to the mobile authenticator. Once you are on the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator page, select Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator FAQ. The FAQ section contains answers to the most common problems users experience, including why codes are not appearing, why the authenticator may not be updating, problems with transferring the authenticator to a new phone, and other common security concerns. Carefully read the FAQ entries and follow the instructions that match the exact issue you are experiencing. Steam support articles may guide you through actions such as verifying your account details, checking your mobile device settings, updating the Steam application, or restoring your authenticator. It is important to understand that Steam Guard authentication problems can have several causes, including a temporary issue with the Steam mobile app, an outdated version of the Steam application, synchronization problems between your device and Steam servers, incorrect phone settings such as an inaccurate date and time, issues related to changing phones or restoring your account. A common mistake many users make is immediately removing the Steam mobile authenticator from their account. Removing it can trigger security restrictions and may delay certain account activities, such as trading. Another common mistake is trying multiple random fixes without checking Steam's official guidance, since Steam Guard issues are security-related and often require specific recovery steps. To summarize, fixing a Steam mobile authenticator that is not generating codes begins by opening Steam, Help, Steam Support, My Account, Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator, and selecting the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator FAQ. The FAQ provides official troubleshooting steps for different authenticator problems and explains how to restore normal functionality. By following Steam's recommended solutions, checking your mobile app and device settings, and avoiding unnecessary changes to your account security, you can safely resolve most Steam Mobile Authenticator code issues. And that's how to fix the Steam Mobile Authenticator when it stops generating codes. By using Steam's official support resources and following the appropriate troubleshooting steps, you can restore your authenticator and continue securing your account, confirming trades, and signing in without problems. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.